Yo, what's up everybody? Sayang is with me. It's Friday afternoon, so we have opportunity to make a video together finally, right?
Yes, so today we are in Batu Bolong, Canggu area. So we'll
And suddenly we lose already 50% of viewers when you said Canggu.
I know some of you will not like Canggu and some of you will love Canggu. So everybody has their own preference, right? So
Of course, and choice what you would like to watch on
Bali
our
is small
channel.
island, guys.
Very small actually. You realize when you start making videos here, you realize this is very small actually. Either way, we're gonna show you actually there where is the Brisa is quite a lot of people and a huge parking area recently. That's actually a good one. There's the main entrance to the beach. I know it doesn't look optimistic, but they building the brand new footpath here actually in Canggu. I never expected they're gonna build this, but they're building it, so it's good. There is one restaurant over there, very busy. Batu Median, this one is temple over there. Okay, let's go to the beach. I know it's actually like a construction site, but the beautiful sunset is just at the front of us. And La Brisa is there and a lot of people. So the beautiful sunset, and you have two options to watch it from the bar over there, which is La Brisa, or from the other bars, which actually belong to between Canggu and Pererenan. Or instead, you can have a corn from the local guy, or sitting like this one on the, just like this one, like all of those people sitting and looking at me right now. So I'm filming them. So it's your own choice. For us, doesn't matter. We will show you a little bit of everything.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Sunset's gonna be beautiful very soon. And the corn guy smoking. Basically, if you wanna come here, you have to pass this road. Everybody coming in the same direction, and that's actually where I've been showing you. So many people sitting, and then the most crowd starting here at the front of the legendary La Brisa. They opened it like in 5 years ago or so. But it's a very successful place, and the sunset really soon. So hiding at the front of the La Brisa, this is it. This is the place. Loud music, of course. You cannot swim here. You have these flags, but that's totally no problem. And overall, quite a lot of people enjoying their time. I'm gonna show you. Pretty nice tropical place. Actually, the place is very nice. Made few videos inside, but also a lot of people sitting outside, chilling and enjoying, like this one. So you can find the vibes here. Very cool. And then there is also more and more if you go more further into local gardens. However, recently all of this belongs to La Brisa recently, which is really big place. They extend the size already 2 or 3 times, making bigger and bigger. And also, even there is no space inside, people sitting on the rocks like this one and enjoying. They reserve somehow these rocks for themselves, but that's the deals with the authorities, of course. Everything is possible. And overall, this is it. Quite a lot of people in general, I'm gonna tell you, really quite a lot of people chilling, enjoying. You can have your drink, you can have a pizza, you can enjoy. Sayang. Yeah. And then there is the end of Canggu, this one. The lady have a big camera for making pictures of sunset and sunset gel. And then there is strip with the local bars next to La Brisa actually. So you have a totally for free there. You have a fancy place here and medium range here. That's simply something like that. So like I said previously, actually you have 3 options to hang out here. You can just sit with your own drink, buying somewhere in the shop and sitting on the stairs next to the parking. You can go to the bars like this one, which is like a medium range bar, like a kind of hippie vibe, sitting on the beach, listening to music. Or you can go to the La Brisa, which is already high end beach club basically, and restaurant and everything. So choice is yours, but you can do any options here available in Canggu in general. Last shot of the sunset, or one of the last ones. There's the Perarena already. We're closer to our place, and this is Canggu. As you can see, Sayang, a lot of people actually everywhere around in the really not so big area actually.
So as you see behind me, it is packed of people. Well, basically this is what the Canggu Batu Bolong offers you. Nice beach club over there, like Damian said, high-end one. Or you just want to chill by the beach here with the, you know, enjoying the food or beverages from the local warungs over there. But still, the music is also loud from the marung basically.
By the way, today I'm thinking a lot of about many things, and I just remember us not so long ago, maybe 7 years ago, 10 years ago for sure. Behind all of this, behind this beach, just where is all of this what you see and saw previously, there was nothing, like empty field, the cows were strolling around, some rice fields, and that's it. And few locals were only coming to enjoy the beach. But now
it is just packed
crazy
with the tourists, either locals, domestic tourists, or international visitors. As you see behind me, wow.
Quite a lot of people actually. Okay, I will show you the waves. Sunset is beautiful actually. I don't know what this girl is doing actually. The girl. I don't know. That's some sort of different level of the acrobats. And anyways, the beach is clean and the waves are nice actually. Check this out. People enjoying the time in the water as well. And the fresh air, surprisingly, is very nice actually. Very, very nice. The sunset actually really good, but I just cannot look at this girl, what she's doing actually, and how many cameras they have. Okay, focus on the sunset only. Also here, back to the La Brisa at the front, I'm gonna tell you La Brisa is fully packed. I mean like nearly overcrowded because so many people outside, and this place is like a kind of iconic place right now in Bali. People coming from all around the world, all nations, all age, and also families and everybody. And you can find really a lot of people and everybody watching the beautiful sunset. And I'm gonna tell you, the sunset today actually looks really nice. I know there's one guy in Sanu like this, but there is another guy, this time the local, with 4 husky dogs. I don't know how these dogs must feel here, but they are, oh, little doggos and 4 huskies. This is probably a good way to get a Tinder date, by the way. Either way, nice dogs, but I don't know how they're feeling with this climate and this heat. But yeah, this is it. And all overlooking the sunset one more time. Also, of course, more younger community definitely in Canggu. As you can see, the most of people are like in their 20s, maybe 30s. However, they look younger than me. But yeah, quite a lot of people.
Look at this beautiful sunset today. And on the right side, this is how the beach club, basically. It's not that high tide today, but we can spot some, you know, surfers surfing. And then on the left side, this is like how is the crowd. People are watching sunset. It's just like watching catch-up dance. But they're just simply watching sunset.
In my situation outside the parking area, parking lot is huge now. It's totally different. You have to pay 2,000 for bike, 5,000 for car. It's not that expensive to compare to other, to Berava, for example. And this is electric ale or something. Everything today is 50% off. We would like to have a coffee for 50% off. because Winnie likes promos, right?
Let's
but
go.
we're gonna find the space. I don't know. Busy lah. But they have a coffee machine. And a lot of people upstairs as well sitting. So let's see. And more people coming over here. We've got inside, ordered some coffees and tiramisu. And I'm gonna tell you, down there they're so busy. Upstairs there's no even access. It's already overcrowded. People waiting by the bar for the table. People trying to come over and everything. I'm gonna tell you, Bali is famous for the places like this one. It's so loud, it's so difficult to make this video. And then imagine you wanna talk with your friends like over there. And also it's always packed. This is phenomenon, only in Bali like that.
So basically that's downstairs, and I'll show you how it is upstairs, because they said that upstairs is full pack of people. So basically this is the upstairs. That's actually the car park that we passed before, and then I'll show you how it is. So yeah, like they said, it is just full of people. I'll show you around how it is. So yeah, very nice place to chill and having a dinner. Very nice. So this is basically how is the kitchen and also the bar. And yeah, like I told you, this place is packed of people. And then let's see, where is Damian? Tired. And yeah, this is it.
Tired! I don't know if Winnie gonna say something you can hear. However, the coffee looks nice. Candle, tiramisu looks good. Coffee, and everything is actually 50% off. So it's nice for 3 hours. Maybe that's why it's busy. Okay, enjoy. Smacznego. Alright guys, I'm gonna tell you the nice place. Coffee and tiramisu was nice. Tiramisu was very nice actually, and for all we paid only 82,000, which is actually very good price. Probably that's why it was so busy, because after that it was so loud. Definitely too loud for me, but well, nice place in general. Alright, that's it. Beautiful sunset actually, the sky, orange sky behind us. See you tomorrow next one. See ya, take care.